482125.
Wow, Yan Thành. Hi.
Hello.
Well, hello, Miss Luna. Sorry, I just find your password. Why? Hi, come. Please wait for a moment, okay? Hey, wait for a minute, Miss Luna. Wait, la. Miss Luna.
Hello, Olivia.
Hello.
Hello, nice to see you again. How are you today?
I'm happy today.
Oh, that's good. What did you do today? How are you? What did you do? Can you see me?
Yeah,
Can you hear me?
yeah,
Oh, very good. Can you see the lesson? Can you see the lesson?
yeah.
Okay, very good. Olivia, can you please tell me what did you do? I
I
what did,
will.
mm-hmm.
I go to school.
You go to school?
Yeah.
Oh, you go to school today? Mm. Did you have already have your dinner? Did you already eat? Did you eat already?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. What did you eat? What did you eat today?
Corn and rice.
Wow. Do you like eating eggs?
Yeah.
I like eating eggs too. You know, egg is healthy.
Yeah.
What is your favorite food?
Fish corn and chicken.
Wow. You also like fried chicken?
Yeah.
Yes, I love fried chicken. How about drink? What is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink, Olivia?
My favorite drink is 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 grape juice.
Oh, the grapes juice?
Yes.
Wow. How about mango juice? Have you tried mango juice?
Yes.
Yes, mango juice is so smoothie and refreshing.
Yeah.
How about lemon juice? Do you like lemon juice?
No.
Why you don't like lemon juice? Okay, Olivia, are you ready to our lesson? Are you ready? I need some energy. Are you
Yeah.
ready? Yes,
Yes.
I'm ready. Okay, now let's listen to the story. Okay, please listen carefully and the audio starts now.
Track 68. Story.
Listen to the story.
A tiger at the sea.
The tiger at the sea.
Look at the new kite.
Look at the new kite.
Sad tiger under an umbrella. A sad tiger in a house.
A fat tiger on the house.
Very good. Well done. Now, please read by your own. A tiger
On the sea. Look at the new kite. Look at the under of the umbrella. A fat tiger
in a house.
in the house.
Okay, again. A tiger at the sea.
Sea. Look at the new kite.
Sad tiger
Or under umbrella. Look at
a
the
sad tiger in
tiger
a house.
on the home.
Okay, good job. Now, let's chant. Let's sing a song. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, let's sing.
Track 69. Rhyming chant.
Let's chant. Listen, point, and repeat.
Sad snake sits. Sad snake sits. Under an umbrella by the sea. Sad snake says,
I'm upset. Nobody wants to swim with me.
tiger on a van. Tiger on a van. Oh, what a silly, silly tiger. He's playing a violin. Violin, violin. Oh, what a silly, silly tiger.
Wow, what a beautiful song. Okay, what's the tiger doing?
Playing the guitar.
Okay, the violin. He's playing a violin. Okay, what happened to the snake? What happened to the snake, Olivia?
That nobody plays it.
Yes, nobody wants to swim with me. The snake is sad. Good job. Okay, now let's have what we have here. Trace letters. Now you can use your pen. Start to trace and write the letters. Oh, sorry. Where is it? Where is it? Oh my God. What happened? I can't see. Mhm. Okay, you can trace now. Yes, big letter S. The big letter S. Okay, the next is big letter T. What is this, Olivia? What's this? A sun. It's a sun. How about this? What is this? Sail.
Heel.
This one. Sad. And this one. Sit. Now let's have letter T. What animal is this?
Tiger.
And how about this? What do you see?
Tall.
Tall. This one.
Tall.
This one. What number is this?
Head.
10. And the last is? Tire. Tire. And how about this? What position is this? Do you still remember?
Okay.
Oh, what happened? Oh my God. Okay, okay. Umpire.
Umpire.
Yes, this is umpire.
What's umpire? Umpire.
Okay, we'll try to refresh because, okay, there is now the manual. Okay, where are we? Okay, there.
There. Umpire. Umpire. Umpire.
Umpire. Very good. You're done. Good job. Okay, let's have the next page.
Umbrella.
Okay, what we have here? Unit 8, W, X, Y, Z. Now, let's have new letters and sounds. Listen, point, and repeat.
Unit 8. W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z.
Track 70. New letters and sounds.
Listen, point, and repeat. W, W,
W,
W, W,
W, W, watch.
W, W, watch.
X, X,
X, X,
X, X, fox.
X,
X, X, fox.
fox.
Y, Y,
Y,
Y, Y,
Y, Y, yo-yo.
Y, Y, yo-yo.
Z, Z,
Z, Z,
Z, Z, zipper.
zipper.
Z, Z, zipper.
Okay, now let's review. Let's point. What is this? It's a
Watch.
watch. How about this? What animal
Fox.
is this? Fox.
It's a fox.
It's a fox. Very good.
Yeah.
And this one is
Yo-yo.
a yo-yo. Do you know how to play a yo-yo?
Yes.
Yes. Is the yo-yo for girl or for a boy?
A girl and the boy also to play.
Okay, very good. How about what's this?
Zipper.
Zipper. Yes. Do you have zipper? Clothes with
Yes.
the zipper? Very good. Why? Do you have watch?
Yes.
Yes. How many watches do you have? How many?
3 walk.
Three watches. Very good. Okay, we are done. Now let's proceed to let's chant, point, and repeat.
Track 71. Let's chant.
Listen, point, and repeat. W sound, wah, wah, wah.
W sound, wah, wah, wah.
Watch.
Wah, wah, watch.
X sound,
X sound.
X sound,
Fox.
fox.
Y sound, ya, ya, ya.
Y sound, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yo-yo.
Yeah, yeah, yo-yo.
Z sound,
Z sound, z, z, z.
Zipper.
Z, zipper.
Wow, good job, Olivia. Well done. Okay, now let's proceed to match the letters and to match the letters to correct the pictures. Let's start with number 1. Number 1 is watch.
Number one.
Good.
Watch.
Number 2 is what is this? Number 2,
Fox.
fox. Good job. And number 3 is
Yo-yo.
yo-yo. Very good. And number 4 is
Zipper.
zipper. Wow, it's all correct. Good job. Now let's have trace and write the letters. You may start, you trace the letter with big letter W and small letter W. You may start now. Okay, you can use your pen. Very good. It's Y sound, yo, yo, yo. Z sound. What is Z?
Z.
Z, Z.
Z. Dun, 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 dun.
How about the small letter? Okay, you are done. Now let's check. Big letter W, W, W. Big letter X, X, X. Y sound, yo-yo. And zipper, zipper. Wow, good job. Well done, Olivia. Okay, now let's have a game. Do you want to play a game?
Yes.
Yes, I like to play a game. Let's play a game. What do you like? Dancing, bring me, or to picture one word?
To picture one word.
Okay, let's guess the picture. Okay, you will be the player number 1, and I will be the team 2, player number 2.
Number 9.
Okay, now let's have number 9. Okay, what is this?
Keyboard.
It's a keyboard. Wow. My turn, number 8. It's a watermelon.
Watermelon.
Yes, a watermelon. Okay, choose your number.
Number 4.
Number 4. Oh, what is this?
Horses.
A horseshoe. Very good. My turn, 14. It's a car wash. Car wash. Your turn. Choose your number.
Number 5.
Number 5. Wow.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Yes, my turn, 16. This is lighthouse.
Lighthouse.
Your turn.
Number 7.
7. What is number 7?
Sunglass.
Sunglasses. Yes, sunglasses. Okay, my turn. Basketball. Basketball. Yes, how about 13, 12, 11, 10?
And 10.
10. Okay, what is this?
Jellyfish.
It's a jellyfish. Perfect. My turn, 12. Oh my God. What is this, Olivia?
Oh.
What happened? Double my points. Oh, okay, your turn. 13, 11, 6, 3.
Number 3.
Number 3. Oh my God. You win 50 points. Okay, my turn. 13. 13. Okay, this is skateboard.
4.
Skateboard. Your turn. Last 4, Olivia. Good luck.
Number 2.
Number 2. Are you sure?
Yeah.
100%?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this? Mm-hmm.
Handbag.
Yes, it's a handbag. Good job. Okay, what else? My turn, 11. I give points to team 1. 5 points. Okay, your turn.
Number 6.
Number
6.
6. Okay, what is it? It's a... Mm-hmm.
I don't know the word.
What is this? Straw.
So,
Mm-hmm.
strawberry.
Yes, correct. It's a strawberry. Very good. My turn. Okay, what will be our destiny? Okay. Oh my God. What's the meaning of this? I win 50 points. Oh, yes. Better luck next time. Better luck next time, Olivia. Okay, I will send to our message here. Now let's have a reward. A reward. Class Dojo. Yes, a reward for Olivia. Active and listening. Yes. And Active in reading. Very good. Being on time. And doing your task. A good student. Helping others. On task. Participating. Persistence. And also working hard. Good job, Olivia. Well done. And because of that, this is your prize. A parrot bird, fly, fly, parrot bird, fly, fly, parrot bird. Yes, good job, Olivia. Well done. Yes, this is your prize. Okay, Olivia, that's all for tonight. See you next class. Bye bye, friend. Bye bye, friend. Bye bye, Olivia. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you.
Bye.